Good day, students. Again, this is Dr. Jad Castillo Tolentino, and you're watching Chemistry 2 for Inorganic Chemistry. Our lesson for today, or lesson video number 2, is all about writing formulas for ionic compounds. Pero bago yun, alamin muna natin kung ano yung mga rules for writing formulas for ionic compounds. Number 1, write the formula for the metal ion followed by the formula for the non-metal ion. So pag tinignan niyo yung periodic table, dapat alam niyo kung alin ang metal, non-metal, and metalloids. At makikita natin dito, itong stair-like case, dito yung metalloid sa pagitan, lahat ng pataas sa stair-like case ay non-metal, lahat ng papunta dito sa left side na to ay metals na. Number 2, combine the smallest number of each ion needed to give the charge sum equal to 0. And number 3, write the formula for the compound as a symbol for the metal and non-metal, each followed by a subscript of the number determined in 2. Pero bago yun, alamin muna natin paano ba talaga tinitingnan ang charges sa periodic table para mas madaling malaman lahat ng nasa group 1, simula hydrogen hanggang kay francium ay positive 1. Lahat ng nasa group 2, simula kay beryllium hanggang kay radium ay positive 2. Pagdating kay group 3 or nasa A group, simula kay boron hanggang element number 113 ay positive 3. Pagdating kay group 7, pabaligtad naman, ay negative 1. Group 6, negative 2. Group 5, negative 3. And group 4, pwede silang positive or negative, depende sa kapartner nila. Positive kung ang kapartner nila ay group 5, 6, and 7. Negative naman kung ang kapartner nila ay group 1, 2, 3. Sir, ano po ang charge ng nasa group 8? Actually, walang charge o hindi natin masyado ginagamit ang mga nasa group 8 kasi meron tayong tinatawag na octet rule. At ang octet rule ay 8. Once ang element ay merong octet rule na 8, hindi na nila kailangang sumama o dumikit sa ibang element. So papasin nyo dito, kalimitang nagsasama or nagko-combine na element ay isang positive charge at isang negative charge na tinatawag nating anion and cation. Let's have a sample. Example number 1. Write a formula for the ionic compound that forms from aluminum and oxygen. Bago yun, tingnan muna natin sa periodic table, nasan nga ba ang aluminum and oxygen? Ang aluminum ay nasa group 3 at ang oxygen ay nasa group 6. Dahil ang aluminum ay nasa group 3, kaya siya positive 3. Ang aluminum ay nasa group 6, 8 minus 6 equals negative 2. Sorry, 2. Pero nilalagyan natin ng negative to determine kung alin ang anion and cation. Write the symbol for the metal and its charge followed by the symbol of the non-metal and its charge. For many elements, you can determine these charges from their group number in the periodic table. So pag sinulat natin, aluminum positive 3, oxygen negative 2. Sir, saan nga ulit kinuha? Aluminum positive 3, oxygen negative 2. Make the magnitude of the charges in each ion without the sign become the subscript for the other ion. In short, crisscross lang. Yung aluminum na positive 3 mapupunta kay oxygen and yung negative 2 ni oxygen mapupunta kay aluminum. Kaya ang sagot natin, Al2O3 or aluminum oxide. Example number 2. Write a formula for the ionic compound that forms from magnesium and oxygen. Sir, nasan nga ang magnesium and oxygen? Si magnesium ay nasa group 2, kaya siya positive 2. Samantalang si oxygen ay naka group 6, kaya siya 8 minus 6, 2. Ang charge natin, negative 2. Ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Ilalagay pa rin magnesium positive 2, oxygen negative 2, then crisscross. So isa nga ulit galing, magnesium positive 2, oxygen group 6, negative 2. Crisscross, Mg2O2. Kaya lang, ang rule natin, kapag parehas ang number ng superscript nila, halimbawa ay parehas 1, parehas 2, parehas 3, o kung anumang subscript o anumang superscript nila, hindi na natin ito sinusulat. Kaya ang sagot lang natin, MgO or magnesium oxide. Pag nagkita kayo ng MgO, understood mo na parehas ang charges nila. Example, complete the table, filling in each box for the proper formula. Let's start with the first sample. Cation is the positive charge and anion the negative charges. First question, potassium, positive 1, bromine, negative 1. Sir, nasan nga ulit ang positive 1? Positive 1 dahil nasa group 1, nandun ang potassium, and ang bromine, nasa group 7, 8 minus 7, 1. Charge, negative 1. Dahil parehas ang charge ng potassium and bromine na 1, hindi na natin sinusulat. Kaya ang nilalagay lang natin dito is KBr or potassium bromide. Number 2, magnesium positive 2, bromine negative 1. MgBr2. Next question, aluminum positive 3 dahil nasa group 3, bromine negative 1. Sagot, AlBr3 or aluminum bromide. Zinc positive 2 and bromine negative 1. Sagot, ZnBr2 or zinc bromide. Hydrogen positive 1, bromine negative 1. Parehas na naman ang charges. Kaya magiging HBr or bromic acid or hydrobromic acid. Next, we have potassium positive 1 and oxygen negative 2. Nagiging K2O or potassium oxide. Magnesium and oxygen, yung katulad ng sample kanina, MgO or magnesium oxide. Al positive 3, oxygen negative 2, magiging Al2O3 or aluminum oxide. Zinc positive 2 and oxygen negative 2. Dahil parehas ang charges, ZnO or zinc oxide lang. Hydrogen positive 1 and oxygen negative 2, H2O or dihydrogen monoxide, and also known as water. Next one, para naman kung ang kasama ng cation ay polyatomic ion. We have potassium again, positive 1, and nitrate, negative 1. KNO3 or potassium nitrate. Magnesium positive 2 and NO3 negative 1. Magnesium nitrate or Mg, open close parenthesis, NO subscript 3, close parenthesis 2. Next question, we have aluminum positive 3 and nitrate. Al, open close parenthesis, NO subscript 3, close parenthesis 3, or aluminum nitrate. Zinc nitrate naman for Zn, open close parenthesis, NO3, close parenthesis 2. Paano naman kung hydrogen and NO3 or nitrate? Magiging HNO3 kasi para sila ng charge na 1 or nitric acid. Next one, we have potassium and PO4. Ang charge ay negative 3. Yung charge lang na 3 ang malilipat kay potassium and the subscript 4 in the phosphate mare-retain sa position niya. Kaya maging sagot is K3PO4 or potassium phosphate. Mg3, open parenthesis, PO4, close 2 naman for magnesium phosphate dahil Mg positive 2 and phosphate negative 3. So yung negative 3 malilipat kay magnesium and yung 2 galing kay magnesium malilipat kay phosphate. Kaya lang nagkaroon lang ng open close parenthesis. Sunod, aluminum and phosphate para silang 3 kaya hindi mo na makikita na ilalagay ang 3. Kaya lang yung 4 nandun pa din. Kaya magiging AlPO4 or aluminum phosphate. Next one, we have the zinc phosphate or Zn3, open parenthesis, PO4, close 2. Next question, we have H positive or hydrogen positive and PO4 negative 3 or phosphoric acid or the H3PO4. Paano naman kung magkasama ay potassium and carbonate or CO3, ang charge ay negative 2. Sir, paano nalalaman ang charge ng mga polyatomic ion? Meron tayong list and nasa periodic table din naman siya. K2CO3 or potassium carbonate. Next one, magnesium and carbonate, parehas 2 ang charges. So, hindi na natin ilalagay. Kaya ang sagot natin, MgCO3 or magnesium carbonate. Aluminum positive 3 and carbonate negative 2 magiging Al2 open parenthesis CO3 close 3 or aluminum carbonate. Zinc carbonate naman, kung pinagsama mo ang zinc and carbonate, we have ZnCO3. And the last one, hydrogen and carbonate, pag pinagsama, H2CO3 or carbonic acid. Again, I hope you learned a lot today. This is Chemistry 2 and this is Dr. Jed Castillo Tolentino. Goodbye!